Yeah, thank you. Today, guys, today topic is we have to discuss some user-defined functions. Okay. Uh, so for that, I am choosing this some tables. Okay, don't worry. You can able to understand easily. So this is the table. One of the table. The product table is there. In this product, okay, I would like to apply some user-defined functions. Okay. Before that, I want to these all are the product keys. Like I have how many products are there? 606 products are there. These all are the products. Okay. Okay. These all are the products. If suppose if something is I would like to know uniqueness of the table. If suppose if any duplications are there in my products now, then I can see by using distinct. Distinct is a keyword. Distinct is a keyword. It will display only non-duplicate values only. It's a distinct values only it will display. If suppose in your product 150, again one more 150 is there now, it will give you only one record. If and only if that everything is should be same, like the alternate key and product name and yeah, everything is same only, then it will give you one single record only. Okay. So now our total products is 606. Now I am applying this thing and I am running again. So how many products are there? 606. So what here it is confirming that total 606 products are there. Okay. Now I would ask you to unmute. Just a second. Rakesh, can I unmute now? Can I do the unmute or I will ask you someone?
Their self only unmute.
Yeah, okay.
Or
So,
otherwise,
Hanumantu,
I will mute. I will unmute.
yeah, please.
Who?
Hanumantu, are you there? Yeah. So now, tell me one thing. This is my table. Okay. Sorry. So I want to know how many columns are there in this table. Total, how many columns are there?
Okay.
What is the data type for this each and every column? So I'm asking you, Hanuman, like how to know the table information, entire table information. I would like to know. So then that time, what things you are going to do? Like how you can fetch that information?
Sure.
Yeah. Any like anything is there? A specific keyword or a specific function to know about that table information? I don't, no, nothing to nothing to worry, Hanmat. If you don't know, then please, I don't know, sir. I'll let you know and I'll confirm to you. That's it. Nothing hesitating because now you people should know what If you learn at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you should learn properly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. You don't need to bother about. You should complete the course as soon as possible. There is no use, right? Okay. Don't worry. Just remember what am I asking. And next time, if I'm asking you, then you immediately, okay, this is the way we can get this information. Okay.
Okay,
Fine.
okay.
Not a problem. To meet change. Now, Nagaraj,
Yes, sir.
yeah, please tell me how can I get to know that my entire table information?
Table selected star from
Uh, yeah, select star from
destinant
select star from. This will I'll get the data like in this table. This is the entire data is there. I can get that, but I want to know the metadata, like how many columns are there, what is the data type, what is the length of that data type. This information I need. Okay, man. Okay, please let
12
me.
columns.
Huh? Yeah, please. Please tell
Columns are there 12.
columns, no? Yeah. What you are saying exactly? Okay, okay, wait. Just remind that question. And Padmaja garu, please unmute yourself. Yeah, please tell me from your point.
SP underscore help
C underscore.
help
Hmm.
help table name.
Table name. So then,
Or also we can select the table name and click on all F1 button.
F1. Okay, okay. So now you can able to get all the information about your table. Okay. Here, see, why I'm asking this particular question, right? If I'm running this table now, I'm able to see product key, product alternate key, and this information I'll get, right? Here I'm trying to see any duplications are there. Okay. Any duplications are there, I'll saw I'm using distinct keyword, I run again and I'll get same 606 records only. Okay. So here why I'm asking this particular information, right? This table is having, I think so, the primary key. That's why it doesn't have any duplication. Okay. So this is entire table information. So in this table, total 33 columns are there. We mute and yeah, Nagaraj also.
Yeah.
Somebody missing? Naresh? Okay, Naresh. Okay, fine. So here total 33 columns are there in this table. Okay, and one identity column is there. Identity column in the sense it will by default increment that your ID. Suppose up to 100 is there, you are going to insert any another record. The ID by default it will give you 101. If it is giving next record, it will give you 102. No need to enter that ID column if it is that particular ID is having identity column. Okay, and in this downstream we have the constraint part. Are you able to see, guys? Constraint type. So here these all are the constraints. Okay, we discussed already. Constraints in the sense, it will set some rules up to your table. See, we have total three constraints are there. Primary key constraint. On which column it is that primary key constraint? Product key. Okay. That's why there is no scope for maintaining the duplicates, because if duplications is there now, it will say errors only, like it doesn't allow any duplication because your primary key is there, and unique key also there. Unique key is on the on alternate key column and start date. These two columns, it is having unique key constraint and foreign key constraint. Foreign key in the sense, there is a reference tables are there, because the product key subcategory key is the one of the key. It is coming from subcategory table, the references table. Okay. This is I'll tell you that relationships while we are discussing about joins. Okay. So that's why I'm asking this question. You should know the entire information about the table. It will very easy to know, to get the things, whatever functions we have applied now, it is very easy for you. So I told you now, whenever your table is having primary key, by default one cluster index has been generated. Okay. Whenever table is having unique key constraint, then your table by default unique non-cluster index has been generated. This is the options you have. Index options are there in this particular portion. See, primary key is like, it's a cluster index. Okay. And foreign key, like sorry, unique key in the sense is a non-cluster index. Okay. So here, okay, I'm trying to take some specific columns only. I'm not going to take all the columns. Okay. Now I'm going to take some particular column. So then how to do that? Like I need to provide product key. Product key I want product name. I want product name, the product name, and I would like to give you some alias name, like what it is, like prod name. Okay. So then I would like to give you some more columns, like color. Okay. Color I would like to take, and anything like I would like to take, yeah, size of the product. Like I'm going to take size. So whenever I type any letter now, it will give you some list of things. The letter starting with S. What is the thing? So these used to call intelligence, like intelligence. Somebody in real time now, they were asking you, like, your manager, yeah, your intelligence is working fine. I was not able to get that intelligence. Those things, general discussion, they used to ask you that intelligence in the sense, whenever you type any letter now, then it will give you the related things. Okay. See, now I am giving you SI in the sign, and it will give you SSIS, size, unit, measure, code, size, range, these things related to SI. Okay. Size, cost, so that's fine, and many will take 2-3 things. Yeah, status. Status. Here status is there. Yeah, start date and end date. Start date. Okay, these many columns we are going to take, and we will check. Okay, this is the information I have right now. So out of 36 column, I would like to consider only these columns only, these 5 columns. Okay. Fine. So now I am going to take one backup from this table, from this particular information only. I'm going to take one backup because I'm working on backup table. Okay. So how to take that backup? Guys, tell me, anybody?
Star into
I'm not going to take all the columns, Padma Jagar. I would like to take these specific columns only.
select the product key.
Okay, all the columns
These columns are
into,
backup name table.
okay. Sorry. Okay,
From the table.
okay. Need to present anything like air condition? I don't want to I don't want to structure and I want complete data also. Then I'll directly select and click that execute button. Then it will generate 606 records. Okay, it will affect 606 records. Okay, now I'm going to see the data from my backup. Product backup. Okay, now it will give you this information, right? So far very clear, right? So now I would like to apply some functions like user defined functions. I'm going to apply in this case. So here yes, anything you observe here? This is very important question and it is very important to know also. See, this is my table, right? This is my table. Please be careful, right? This is my table. This table is having all the things. This table is having 36 columns, 33 columns, and this is having some keys, constraints, and indexes everything, right? But this is my backup table. My backup table is having same but intentionally I'm taking only this much columns only. But here observe one thing. Are you getting any keys?
No.
No, nothing.
No, sir.
Yeah, you can observe carefully. Backup table is always just for reference only. It doesn't create any keys. Okay, it doesn't create any constraints. Okay. So if you are taking a backup by this way, okay, if you are taking backup by this way, you doesn't get any keys. You just get data and you just get column name also. But backend now you're not able to get any keys, like any constraints. By default, if constraints are not there, then indexes also not going to be created. Okay, just just remind that if anybody asking you like that, if I have a backup table, I have a main table, so both are having same records, both are having same columns, but what is the differences between these two? Then you can directly say that backup table always doesn't have any keys, whichever it is having main table. Okay, please aware of that. Please, if you want, you can note. No need, our session is recording only. Okay, you can observe. That's the point I wanted to say. Now we are going to work this thing. Okay, now I'm going to work. I would like to know how many colors are there in my product. Okay, how many colors are there in my product? So then I would like to see the colors column. Here, the colors. Okay. So tell me anybody, like how many records will come?
Well, 11 records.
How many?
11 plus.
11. Okay. Or anybody?
The backup table.
Backup table only. I'm taking some backup.
In the backup table, that's very.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking, Padmaja Garu. We have total 606 products are there, 606 records are there. But I would like to know the colors. How many colors are there in my entire product? So now if I'm running, how many records are came?
11.
Huh?
606. All records.
So
606.
here I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying the color column. Color column. Directly I'm hitting the color. So how many records are there in my product table? 606. Then the same record. Every record is having one, especially for that particular color, right? So it will display all the records. Now I would like to know the colors only, like how many distinct colors are there in my product table. Please be neat. So now this is the keyword, distinct keyword. It will tell you that it will doesn't display any duplicates. Now if I am running this code, see it will give you that 10 records. 10 records with NA also, including NA. Okay. So these all are the colors in my product table I'm using. Okay. Just remember that listing is a key.
Table name, that's it. But we give the table name is backup. Huh?
Yeah, backup table only I'm working. I'm operations on all the things in backup table only.
But backup table only.
Yeah, even you can check the main table also. Okay, sorry, dim product. Here also you can get only 10 records. I'm just working on backup table only, nothing else. Okay. So by using distinct keyword, I'm able to tell you. So these many distinct colors I'm using in this entire product table. Okay. Now I'm going to see the size. Size of the product, like here I mean without a distinct, how many records will come? Yes, it will give you entire all the records 606. Okay. Now if I'm applying this thing, so I'll get 19 rows only. Like if null it is having some records, the size of 40 it will have some records under L, M, S, XL. These all are the sizes of uh, uh, sizes of particular products. Okay. Now I would like to see one more. Okay, this is the table. So now I want to get that products which is in only black color and silver color. Two colors, from two colors I would like to fetch the information. Okay, now what is the function for this? Like operator, we can say that, not a function, operator.
Color.
We have to apply where condition, where color,
Color.
color equal to black. Okay. Now it will give you the black color products. Out of 606, black color products are 133. Okay. Now I want to know the silver as well, like some other color, not only black, some other, like it's like silver also. So how we can how we are going to give you
Their color. Black or
black
and
and
silver.
silver, right?
Equal to silver, sir.
Yellow.
Okay, color equal to silver, right? Good. Huh? You want to say R? Okay.
R condition.
Hard color.
185.
So yeah, good try. Uh, why it is not coming? And
Is not under.
you know,
Combination is not there, sir. Black or silver is there, but both combination is not one.
under operation is saying that both should be the true, then only it will give you. You know, I think మనం చిన్నప్పుడు చదువుకున్నాం, I think మీకు గుర్తుందో లేదో, ట్రూ అంటే ట్రూ అవుతుంది,
True, false, అయితే
ట్రూ ఫాల్స్ అయితే
false.
ఫాల్స్, ఫాల్స్ ట్రూ అయితే
False.
ఫాల్స్, అండ్ ఫాల్స్ అయితే
True.
ఫాల్స్ ఉంది.
False.
సో అండ్ ఆర్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఇలా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ఇప్పుడు మీరు జనరల్ గా ఏదైనా అండ్ ఆర్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు అండ్ ఏం చేసింది, ఇట్ విల్ చెక్, ఐ థింక్ ఫాల్స్ ట్రూయే కదా.
False. True.
No, it's false.
False. True.
ఫాల్సా?
False.
ఓకే ఫైన్. సో అండ్ ఆపరేషన్ ఏం చేసింది అంటే ఇట్ విల్ చెక్, బట్ both the conditions should be true, then only it will give the result.
It's just like a logical multiplication.
Yes. So any product is having the color black and silver, there is no color like that way.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's why it doesn't give any records.
So both colors are same, then only it will show.
Yeah. Yes. See now, or condition in the sense, anyone, like either if we have, suppose now I am giving you just a second. Now remember one thing, guys, whenever you are using OR operator, you should give you that bracket to that particular things. Like suppose it will check these two colors. If any color is there, it will pick the data. Okay. Suppose I'll give you here one dummy data. I am not giving a proper silver. I am giving only SIV here. Then it will give you the data.
No, it gives black color only.
Only black color, but it will give you the data. If something is wrong, if it doesn't check whether it is the spell is right or wrong. It checks only whether this particular name have any product is there. And the OR condition, it will check black, and as well as it will check SIV here. Okay. So we don't get any SIV here, it will get black. Then it will give you the black products. Only it will give you the black products, right? So this is the we can say that and OR operators. Okay. Anyone is true, then it will give you the data. If you are presenting and both should available only, then only it will give you the data. Now if suppose here I am giving you the size. Okay. Size equal to for suppose 40. Okay. Now what it will check? If you are giving a AND operation, no need to mention the brackets, or it is optional only. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, it will give you the records. Of course, if the matching contents are there, and then it will give you. See, please be aware of that errors. What it is saying? Conversion failed. Conversion failed when converting a nvarchar value S to data type int. Understand the data? Understand the error?
Yes, sir. Both are different data types.
What it is saying? If your column is having nvarchar data type, for suppose this is one example like S, but you are giving me the int data type. Okay.
Both are
That's
different
why-
data types.
Yes, if you are giving into data type, like you are giving only number, but backend this column data type is nvarchar. That's why it is saying this error. Then immediately you can check the size data type is nvarchar. Okay. Char nvarchar only varchar, char nvarchar, varchar, these all are the string data types. Okay, you must and should, whenever you are entering the data, you must and should use single quotes. Okay, just remember this point. Because of that